Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with my beautiful wife, Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin here on YouTube and on Instagram. And today is Thursday, but we've kind of made Thursdays our we days. We just kind of go out and do whatever we want. Just so happens today we are going to go a little thrifting. So we're at Goodwill now. We're going to go in, maybe try to find some stuff. I'm going to take some footage of Kathy, and I haven't talked to her about it yet, but I'm going to get a little bit of footage while we're in there, try to find some good stuff.
Which means we're not going to find any good stuff today. There's
a lot of people in the parking lot today, so it seems like it's pretty busy in there. I don't know if it's senior day or what, but it's Thursday, so I don't know if that's...
If it is, we need to find some senior.
I know. I'm getting the gray hair. I'll be there soon enough. So let's head on into Goodwill, and I don't know, we'll probably go to another place, at least one other place after this. So let's go in and see what we could find. All right, guys, so we just finished up in Goodwill. I did move the car because it was really sunny there now, and it's warm. You might notice we're sweating a bit. Kathy has a sweater on for God knows what.
You want to know why? Because I forgot my pants at the gym, like the pants I was going to change into, and so I had no extra clothes. And the shirt I was wearing just smells because I went to the gym.
Working out in it, yeah.
So this was a hoodie I happen to have in the car, thankfully. So I'm wearing my gym shorts.
Yep.
And this hoodie that's making me sweat. So that's why. I was wondering.
That's why. But yeah, we found some good stuff. Okay stuff. Actually, these glasses we kind of found on the way here. I'm gonna get you a little closer.
It's just like the last time we came here.
Yeah.
The glasses are like right by the register, so I'm like peeking as he's checking out. So I could just tell that these were nice quality. I've never heard of the brand. They have like the springy action. I feel like from working at LensCrafters for so long, I kind of just know that
the
that was
springy means
just
maybe
like,
higher quality.
Yeah.
Something to look out for.
You could just tell, yeah. Anyways,
oh, look, the ear pieces look like little heels.
Yep, and then made in Italy is always something good to look out for. So anyways, look these up. I did find one comp, so there's only, when I search up the exact model, which is, the glasses brand is Bocca. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's Bocca. These glasses are called the Walk One. So when I just searched that on eBay, it's showing like 2 results listed. One is a new pair for $400 plus ship, and one is, $339. So, and then when I searched to sold, there's only one sold, but it's this exact pair and it's pre-owned for $150. So these were $299.
So could have been
it
a
could
huge...
still be like nothing, you know, like
Right.
this could never sell, but it's not a huge risk, and it is a very good reward if I get anywhere near that.
Absolutely. I mean, even $50 would be a huge,
Yeah,
a
and
huge
like
sale.
all those glasses that we've been getting, they've been selling fast. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
So we've kind of been more on the lookout for glasses. It is warm in here, guys.
And you might have seen some footage, but
Yeah.
we didn't get a whole lot. We got this PS3.
I think it's a VR controller.
Yeah.
I think.
Thing.
Yeah.
I did want $12 for it, which is a lot. But the comps
It's new in
were,
package.
you know, we'll probably at least double our money. It might not sell super fast.
Yeah.
So I got this thinking, like, if it never sells, I'll just maybe use it. But it's like, it's vintage. This is like my model from 2000.
Ooh.
Like a Conair curler thingy new. I saw some solds about 30 plus ship. It was $9, so possibly okay. Chris bought this just for
I bought
himself.
this. So
It's not worth flipping because Goodwill asked
probably not worth flipping, but yes,
$20
they wanted
for it.
$20 for this, but I am a huge Legend of Zelda fan.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they made puzzles.
It's a pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
Like I would do that with you if you.
I don't know if I'd ever open it just to try to keep it collector.
It says collector, so it can't possibly be collectible.
Right.
They write that on it.
Collector's puzzle. But yeah, it's Majora's Mask 3D. So kind of a cool puzzle. So yeah, probably never actually build that puzzle, but I like
got
it.
some dance go, like gladiator type sandals. These will probably go for like 30 to 40. So the shoes, two of them were $10.99 and one was $7.99. So basically like $10 each if you average them out.
Yeah, there was not very many shoes. I mean, there's a lot of shoes there, but we had to pass over tons of shoes.
Some Sorel. These are my size. I might try them on, even though I just sold that pair yesterday too. Madeline.
These are a little different though, right?
Yeah, they're cute. I like this color. I don't wear like very. I usually just wear flip flops if I'm wearing stuff. But yeah, really good shape. Size 9.5. I didn't look up comps, but you know, Sorel is gonna go for at least 30 minimum. So that's like why I like doing shoes. I've come to the realization of. It's going to get at least this much. You don't need to look up every single comp.
Right.
And then these are dance goes. They are a smaller size, 36, which is like a 5.5 to 6. But these are like in great shape. Like no heel drag at all. They were only asking $7.99. Normally they price dance goes sometimes at like $15. And the patent leather is still really nice. Like no wear spots around here. So
Looks like maybe a scuff on the toe.
yeah, and scuffs are not a big deal. So yeah.
So sweet.
I mean, actually, the goof off does pretty well on these scuffs.
Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah.
Could ruin your shoes.
It could. It could.
Don't blame us.
Yeah. I think a magic eraser might also. But
Yeah.
So that could probably.
Yeah, patent leather is
Tricky.
So just
If these weren't in as good a shape as they were, I would have probably left them.
So that's everything that we found. So not a huge thing. The glasses could be huge.
I mean, the total was $80, but that was with this $20 puzzle, so about $60 for all this.
Yeah.
I mean, the glasses alone should get that.
Yeah.
So pretty okay little stop.
Pretty
but nothing amazing.
It is 1 o'clock and we have not eaten lunch yet. So we're gonna go grab some lunch and hit at least one more thrift store. We're thinking about going. We're on the north end of town right now. We're thinking about going a little more south to one of the Goodwills that we haven't been to in a while.
Now. It's like
Might be pushing it. So we will hit at least one of the thrift store. We'll talk about it at lunch. So we'll be back right after that. All right, guys. So we just finished up lunch. It took a little longer than we were kind of expecting. It was a little slower.
A lot longer.
A lot longer. It's about 2:30 now, so we really only have about 30 minutes. This is another thrift store in our town. It's a small local one, so it's not a big branch, but it does look busy too. So I don't know if Thursday is.
And it used to be really good. Like I'd find a ton of shoes here.
Yeah.
But the last 3 times I've stopped, I found 0 anything. So
we're not expecting to find anything, but we're just gonna run in for 30 minutes and see what we do find. So let's get in there. All right, guys, so we did finish up in there, and we found surprisingly a lot more than we expected. But we are running late. We got to go get the kids from school. So we'll head home after we pick up the kids from school, and then we'll show you guys what we found here. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are back. We got Reese guy over there.
You know me. We're back. You don't need to worry.
Oh, the tummy rub. There you go. Kathy's out of that hoodie. It's nice and cold here in the house. And this is what we found at that thrift store.
Yeah, it wasn't like a ton, but I'm happy with what we found.
Yeah, we kind of expected to not really find anything,
Right.
and we found
Maybe 10 items.
a few things at least. So
we got some play shoes for adults. So that's PLAE. These are a men's 8.5 or women's 10. I think these will sell for around $40 plus shipping. They were $8 at the thrift. These are my slippers. That's the actual name.
right, the brand,
my pillow guy.
the pillow man.
I guess
He's got a slipper man too,
which I did not know until I was watching one of Ashley Hustle at Home Moms. I feel like one of her palette videos that she did had some like new of these in there, and she showed comps on the screen.
Yeah.
Every time I see like a picture of a comp, it like burns in my memory. So, anyways, I remember that, and then when I saw these, normally I would like look past slippers,
Right.
Because it's kind of weird. I don't know why I sell you shoes, but I feel like slippers are weird. Anyways,
As you have your hands in the slippers.
Yeah, I know. They're still pretty soft. They're not too good. Like the bottoms are a little dirty. I'll try to wipe them, but yeah. Anyways, because I saw that, I was like, oh, let me just double check comps because her pair I think was new and these are pre-owned.
Yeah,
But
the sell-through rate was good on them
The
for
sell-through
used.
was great,
Yeah.
and just the comps like $35 to $50 plus shipping pre-owned.
Yeah.
My pillow slipper, guys.
Yeah.
So, anyways,
My
that's cool. Got some Ultras, a little dirty, but otherwise pretty decent shape. These are a men's 12. I will wipe them down, and those are probably 50 to 60. They were only $7.99. The slippers were $10, which is why I was like, but the comps were good enough. These ones are Scott brand. I've only sold a couple of these, like Scott brand shoes, and they did take a while to sell, so this might be a slower one, but I just thought they were nice. Really, really nice tread for like somebody that loves hiking or something.
Yeah.
And they're also a men's 12, so.
These ones, I know the sell-through rate wasn't as great.
Yeah.
But, you know, we like to buy stuff that sells fast and sells slow.
I feel like you looked up comps and said maybe like they were only new ones listed or something. So maybe someone will buy a pre-owned pair for a lot less.
Yeah.
These were $12.99 as well, which I don't really love paying. I'll probably average all the shoes.
Right. Which
will put them under 10 each, but yeah. I think I can get 40 to 50 out of them. I will wipe them down just a little bit. Got some Skechers, a men's Go Run, size 12. I wonder if these are all from the same guy. Like,
oh yeah,
they're all 12s in similar
decent
type
shape
of shoes.
too. Yeah.
Yeah. These are probably about 35, maybe 40. And some women's Crocs. These are a smaller size 5, but I feel like I do normally pass on a size 5, but I feel like when they're a wedge, I think size 5 people like wedges. Like I've just.
Yeah.
My size 5, any like heel or wedge or something platform type shoe will sell a lot quicker than a typical shoe. So, and these were only $5. So I think these are probably at least 30 still. 30 push up. Those are the shoes.
That was it for the shoes. Pretty decent for. Yeah, I mean, it was kind of busy. There was quite a few people in there.
A lot of people in there. It's a small store, so like you can't really get your cart in and out when everyone else is in the aisle. This is a David's bridal dress, which I normally don't like dresses. I don't like David's bridal. This is not my thing, but it was new at Tag. Had a $99 retail, and it was only, $6-7?
So is this like a bridesmaid dress?
Yeah, but I think you could also wear this as like a little homecoming or something dress.
Yeah.
So, women's size 10. And yeah, it was $7. I mean, I think I can get at least 30 out of it, maybe 40.
Okay.
So this is one of those things where, like, if you need it, you're gonna buy it for whatever the price it is. if it's exactly what you need. So
Now, I know you hate buying and listing dresses. I'm gonna.
this is a short one, so
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not gonna like be hard to photograph.
I'm gonna make you list it.
I'm gonna list it. I think I'm gonna try to list. Well, some of these.
Who am I to speak on you?
But I'm gonna try to list some of these today because we have our live tonight, and I
Yeah.
need to photograph some stuff before we do that. So yeah. Anyways, the reason I was like, I'll take a chance is because Amber Resells has, I don't know if she still does, but she had like a whole separate Posh closet just for like bridal, bridesmaids type dresses, and she seems to do pretty well with it. So
Yeah.
I will give it a shot. This is just a kid's chaser. Chaser is a decent brand, but yeah, and it was new with tag as well. Girl size 5. Blue is one of the color tags, so I think this was like $2 and some change.
Okay.
The reason I bought this is because, well, it's not going to sell for a ton. Maybe $18, maybe $20, including shipping. But I mentioned I want to try to do 100 listings in a day video, and I would probably do that with kids, shoes, clothes, stuff like that, because I'm most familiar with it and I can go through them really fast. So anyways, I'm collecting things slowly. I have some other stuff I haven't showed you guys, but this will probably go in a bin until I collect 100 items, and then I'll do that all in a day.
Because that 100 items, that's going to be photographing and listing.
Yeah, I'm going to try to photograph, draft, list, all in a day.
Cross list? No.
I mean, if I have time,
If you have time?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think I can do 100 just photograph, list.
Yeah.
You know, we'll see.
So
it's been a while since I've done that many.
Probably the first one item, right? The first
I just
item.
remember when I did that 65 pair shoe day. I feel like we got good feedback on that video, and people.
But that day, you actually went and sourced that day too.
Yeah. So this wouldn't include sourcing because, I mean, to source 100 items, it's hard to say, you know.
Right.
This way I'm being more particular, but yeah. Not including sourcing, listing 100 in a day.
Yeah.
Just picking a couple here and there while I'm out and about getting shoes. So this is another kid item. This was $2. I used to sell these anywhere from like $20 to $30, like $25, $30, including shipping. I think I can still get around 20, maybe 18 to 20 plus shipping. So
what was this again? This was the
Magic, or Baby Merlin's Magic Sleep Sack.
Baby Merlin's Magic Sleep Sack.
Yeah.
Has pretty good sell-through rate.
Yeah, this is good. And then those, if you ever find the zippity zips, those are good too. But yeah, that's all we found, but pretty good little stop, I guess.
Yeah. So that kind of ends our adventure, I guess.
Day. Kind of a boring adventure day.
Yeah. The kids are home now, and like Kathy said, we do have a live this evening. So she's going to get some photographs going so we have something to do on our live. If you did make it to our live, this video should be coming out probably the next day, so Friday. If you did make it to the live, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. But yeah, that's going to do it. We don't really have any shipping going out today. This week we're skipping days on shipping, so no shipping today. We'll have that stuff all going out tomorrow. So that would probably be, I guess, Saturday's video. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it all works out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That's going to do it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.